feel like the perfect word for Tassie is just like mundane. Like it's just so slow and simple, but I guess that's not true actually. I mean, it is slow and simple. It's definitely very slow and simple, but I guess everywhere has. Anyway, I'm getting off track, but I mean, yeah, like this place is for an older crowd. It's just not catered for younger people. Like, I just feel so helpless and just so bored. I feel perpetually bored.
위도 북위 34도 42분 19초, 경도 동경 126도 18분 46초, 표고 762피트, 시정 2400m.